Hi guys, SunUpsBoy63 here. Today I'm back with another video, and I'm going to be showing you how to clean an old Lakewood box fan. So, I'm just going to show you that this works right now. As you can see, it is on. And what you want to do first is move the fan, unplug it, and take it to an open area. Okay, so now it is unplugged, and right here. The first thing you want to get is, a Phillips screwdriver. And then you want to get, 2 paper plates. Or bowls, whatever you want. As you can see here. And now, you want to go ahead and lay the fan down and start unscrewing the sides. So you want to lay your fan down on either of its side. Doesn't matter which side you take off first, but I like to take off the front side first. So I'm going to lay this down on its back and turn it. My feet broke off, but if you do have the feet for it, remove those before you do anything. There are 5 screws surrounding the thing. Actually, no, there's 6. Yeah. And you want to remove those, and I'll get back with you when I'm done. Okay, and then after you remove the screws, go ahead and just pull off the cover. And now, depending on your fan, you want to figure out how to properly take off your blades. With some fans, they have little screws. With some other ones, you could just sit on them and pull them up. So I don't really know. I'm going to look on the back to see if I can see any screws. And it appears not to have screws. So now, I'll probably just stand on it and take it off. I'm going to try to get the best angle for you. You want to go ahead and put your legs up here on these and just pull. So I'll get back with you once I'm done with that. Okay, so I now got it off, and look how dirty that is. But it is now, the blades are now off. And there is a little hole in there, so we can only go in one way. And now, you want to just figure out how to clean this. But first, you want to go ahead and take off the back cover now. If your fan has a cord like this, it'll be hard to get off. So go ahead and just lay it down on its front, start removing the screws. Okay, now just remove this cover. And as you can see, can't really do that because the cord is connected. So what you want to do is, you want to bend this flap right here upward to get this piece out. And I'll show you that now. I'm going to try to find a good angle. Okay. And now, you want to go ahead and just move this up to get it out. And then, you want to, okay, I'll get back with you once I get that out. Okay, so it is done. As you can see, the cord is in, come on, focus. Well, I'm going to try to get you a good angle. It is removed now. So now, you just want to go outside and like wash these off or something. And you can use a spray can if you have it on this, the motor. Why isn't this not focusing? Wait. Okay, I don't know why. But, I have to go now. I'll get back with you when I'm back. So, bye. And after you get the backs off, you want to go ahead and take this fan outside. Then after you get the pieces outside, you want to rinse them off. So I'm going to take a couple buckets of water and just rinse them off. And then you just want to lay all these out on a flat surface and soak them in water. Not that, it will destroy that, but all the plastic pieces. So I'm going to go down there. Okay. Now, you just soak them. I'm going to try to get you a good view. There we go. Okay. So, take it and just pour it on the fan. Okay, first bucket done. Now second one.
Hey Jake, come back in and
So now you just want to soak all of these.
come on.
And now let me do this again. There we go. And now just let them sit. Okay, so now you just want to let them sit on the ground. Go inside. Okay. So now let's go ahead and go inside my house. I have to eat dinner real quickly, but I'll be back out as soon as I can. Okay, I'm back. It's been about 3 hours now. Just about 3 hours here. It's getting dark out, but let's go check on them. About to flip the blades over, but everything else looks like it's good. So I don't really know. By the way, if your cap and handle can be removed, remove it. My handle could be, so I just removed the cap, which looks like the cap is done. Okay. And let's flip this over. And let's flip this over. Okay. So, I'm going to take all these up to our Okay. So now I have to try to okay, so now you want to reassemble it to the fan. But you want to go ahead and get paper towel. Okay, so now I'm just going to wipe off all these pieces. All done. And now take the parts back aside and reassemble it. Once you get it lined up, put the cord through the fan back, and then go ahead and screw in all the screws. And now you want to line up the blades with the little notches in them and stick it on. Line up the screen, and then go ahead and screw it on. Once that's on, go ahead and put on the cap. Okay, so after you put all that together, it should look perfectly fine. And if you can see, it looks a lot better than it did before. So now, go ahead and plug in and just test it. And, by the way, you only need one plate for this unless you're completely taking it apart. I have been Time Boy 63, and peace out.